Hello everyone, we are the group 5. Our team members include Ziyu, Ziyang, and Jiahao. This lipstick life cycle analysis poster presentation will be divided into 3 parts. Original lipstick life cycle analysis, redesign lipstick life cycle analysis and comparison. This is the let me introduce the first part, the life cycle analysis of MAC. Lipstick is the cheaper and more popular makeup in the world, and according to data, 80% of women in North America and Europe use lipstick regularly, and more than 30% of them have 20 lipsticks in their life. So that is pretty such a large number of people, and this is the reason why we choose it. MAC lipstick mainly have 5 parts: the packaging made of no-DNT paper, the plastic polypropylene cup, and the lipstick cream mixed with various chemicals. The base made of plastic, aluminum, and the bottom thick. After analysis of data from the material, we found that each step in the whole life cycle of lipstick will have different impacts on the environment, but there are many sorts of pollution. The raw materials for lipstick cream are mainly derived from beeswax, oil extracted from castor, and various chemicals of lipstick structuring agents. Then collected and sent to factory to be processed, marketed, and made. 2,000 kilograms of ethane is released into atmosphere every year during the manufacturing process, which consists of a mixture of hydrocarbons. The pollution products smoke and greenhouse gases, which is one of the sources. When the lipstick is ready, it has to be packaged and transported from the original Canadian factory to the airport by land using a lorry, then to the Australian using air freight at the airport, and finally to various shopping malls using a lorry, which product another source of pollution from carbon extract. Lipstick cells cannot be replaced after use and can only be disposed of discarded. According to information, a large number of lipstick cells and packaging are abandoned every year, and the made of plastic take 400 to 500 years to degrade in landfill, which is part we need to address. Some part of the lipstick can be recycled and some need to be disposed of as waste. The total environmental impact data from the life cycle analysis of lipstick is 175.94.
In order to solve those problems, we had designed a multicolor lipstick. First, the original lipstick packaging. Second, the source of pollution is the lipstick shell. Thus, we designed a lipstick with 3 colors to achieve the effects of 3 in 1. Apart from that, the way of replaceable lipstick was designed, which couldn't only reduce the number of shells, but also improve the utilization rate of shells, and the price of the replacement lipstick will be cheaper than that of the original packaged lipstick, and it can also be further sustainable. In addition, a change had been made to the cap of the original lipstick to be specific. The method of opening and closing the cap was changed, in which the traditional method was replaced with a push-pull method. This method is more convenient for consumers to use and reduces the use of lipstick shell materials. Replaceable lipstick packaging is to reduce the costs, and its recyclable plastic ABS is a good choice. In addition, according to interview women who love makeup, say that their shelf life of traditional lipstick is with 3 months, but they rarely use up their lipstick within a year, which also causes a kind of waste. So according to the pinpoints, consumers can be satisfied with multiple choices. Lipstick consumers can buy according to their needs. In addition, the lipstick paste and the price will be reduced. Consumers can use the lipstick by pushing and pulling. Meanwhile, when they want to change the color, they can turn the rotating part at the bottom to achieve the purpose of color change. Then for the shell material of the original lipstick, we use birch wood as the main material. In terms of petstone and the internal rotating parts, recycled ABS was adopted. Besides, the brand logo is made of aluminum. For lipstick creams, natural cochineal pigment was utilized to replace artificial synthetic pigment.
Okay, thanks Ziyu and Ziyang. Ziyu analyzed the original lipstick. According to the research, we found that the three bloated process of lipstick manufacturing and sales are the sheer material, transportation, and raw materials. So our group redesigned an eco-friendly lipstick. Ziyang built a 3D model of a new concept, which is 3-in-1 lipstick. Next part, I will analyze and summarize the data of this design. Our redesign decided to change the shell material, increase the lipstick's cream capacity, and shorten transport distance. Firstly, the wooden shell can be degraded naturally with no pollution. Secondly, increasing the capacity of lipstick cream will also reduce the demand and waste of consumer for a single color lipstick, which also reduce pollution to a large extent. Thirdly, local factory close to raw materials, which can effectively reduce transportation distance. So, serious transportation pollution is solved. And we can see this data according to the chart. We can see metal material is not environmentally friendly and uses aluminium to make the shield, and redesign only uses metal in logo part, which can reduce highly polluting non-ferrous metals. And we use recycled aluminium to reduce pollution. And the pedestal part can meet eco requirements. Furthermore, the shield is birch, which is an artificial fast-growing tree. The use of birch can not only increase the income of the local forest farm, but also does not need to cut down the forest. The lipstick cream is replaced by artificial coloring with natural cochineal coloring, which is also a healthier choice. Finally, a global factory strategy can address air transport pollution. And our redesign is based on academic resources and books. We found that one of the reasons for the Australian bushfires in 2020 was insufficient demand for forestry. Therefore, we recommend using bridgewood shields to design lipsticks. Besides, if a local mag factory is established in Queensland, it can provide high-quality cochineal pigments. And in conclusion, this is a comparison chart. The three key points of our group's lipstick design are wooden shield 3-in-1, large capacity crane, and reducing transportation pollution. These redesign ideas can effectively reduce MPT. According to the chart, the new lipstick is reduced from 175 to 54 MPT. In light of this is an effective recyclable design. Thank you. That's all.
This is our reference list. Thank you for listening.